working on getting the grab rails out. These old deteriorated 25-year-old grab rails. And it was very hard to undo those screws, strip the metal and everything. Well, you always got to rely on the PB blaster, right? So you take the PB blaster, where the screw goes right down to the bottom there, spray a little right there, like that. See? Then move this back and forth. You can see it. See how it starts to soak in and drips out from the other side. So do that. Spray a little more. Spray a little more. Like so. You go like so. Bend it back and forth a little bit so they... Where am I? Lost it. There it is. Okay. Yeah, bend it back and forth so that PB blaster sinks in there until it comes out the other side. A little bit more. Like that. Bend it so it goes in. It slowly disappears because it's making its way into the bolt hole, and it starts to come out the other side. Wipe it up. Wipe it all the way up. A little more. Okay, see, it's still coming out the other side here. You can see it. Now tackle the screw back and forth. It's got some junk inside the screw hole there. I've got to get that out. But anyway, let me continue on. And I've got my trusty grinder here. So what I'll do, if I have to, I'll grind through the wood because I'm going to make new grab rails out of it. I'm going to use these as a pattern. And I'm going to grind that slot in that screw head a little bit deeper so the screwdriver can get into it, get it out. Then you just work it back and forth little by little. It may take 50 times working it back and forth, a quarter of a turn, but it'll eventually come out. That's about it.